Hi guys, it's Christine, co-founder of Glow Recipe, and today I'm going to show you how I use our new Fruit Babies kit in my skincare routine. So this kit is basically a shortcut to all of our must-have bestsellers. We also call them the Glow Game Changers. Alright, so I'm going to start my nighttime skincare routine. You can see I'm already in my pajamas. This cleanser is one of the first products we ever launched along with the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and it's packed with ingredients like antioxidant-rich blueberry extract, a optimized dose of AHA so that you're gently sloughing away those dead skin cells, and yet it's super gentle. You want to make sure you're thoroughly rinsing off your cleanser with lukewarm water. The next step is toner, PHA, which is a larger molecule acid, and tea tree extracts. Infusing the skin with essential nutrients and setting the tone for your whole routine. The Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Mask is ophthalmologist tested. It's this really nice creamy consistency. We wanted to use retinol because it is a gold standard skincare ingredient. It helps with fine lines and it can also help with dark circles. And then next step would be pink juice, and it is this beautiful gel consistency, really lightweight, oil-free, and it's packed with 90% watermelon extracts. I'm going to treat myself to a little facial tonight with the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love the feeling of waking up in the morning and then washing off the mask and kind of unearthing this baby soft skin. With our larger Fruit Baby sizes, we're also really excited to have been able to use glass. We have, from the very beginning of Glow Recipe, tried to use glass whenever possible. Our watermelon mask, our very first product, is in a glass jar that is 20% recycled glass and is 100% curbside recyclable. Thanks for following along with my nighttime skincare routine with our new Fruit Babies kit. You can shop this Fruit Babies kit at Sephora.